Hello viewers. Today, we are going to cover the 5 best drones Amazon in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Force1 U45W Blue Jay. It is an ultra-cool drone that your bank will not drain. Coming with some advanced features such as the FPV camera with Wi-Fi skills. I will give some live video from your drone directly to your phone. You can even predispose a custom set of your drone he will fly alone. They just see your screen as you please through the lines there. It is not just all about the FPV camera, however. You get an additional battery and a dyno to ensure that it would take 90 minutes pauses between each flight. These things are a burden not when it starts to get fun and stops being good. Up video recording HD 720p and self-help try to take off and land. It is a all-in-one for beginners drone, which it tries to start in this, work crazy, full drones world we have to live in. Force1 U45W Blue Jay to be registered with the FAA for their weight, but do not let that put you off. This is one of elegantest drones on our list, and comes with an additional propeller, a large user to start manuals, all the tools you need, USB charger, and SD 4GB more card. Number 2. Our second best pick is our best drone, DJI Phantom 3 standard drone. Video camera HD 2.7K. Check. One of the biggest names in consumer drones, DJI has, its multi-line consumer-based aircraft pushed the market and the limits in almost all categorization technology for unmanned aircraft. This is one of the highest ratings for the use of drones. Cameras, real estate agents, photographers, cameramen, roofing inspectors, only to name a few professions. Invaluable service are received outside their DJI Ghost. 2.7K video is to get more than enough to have a clear picture, awesome by clients. DJI quickly takes the professional drone market. With its practical approach to high performance built-in accounting, and attention to the futuristic design, DJI will lay the foundation for the capabilities of unmanned aircraft next. Autel feature is the most efficient in its class, an accuracy of 10 feet initial sight. While automatic features are nice, we do not expect them to do anything. I work for you. However, you need an expert level of flying experience drone before this powerful machine adopts. The follow me option is recommended only for the use of experts who have much experience with drone flying. If you want the best, you must take a leap. Best, DJI Phantom give that comes to you. This model has an extra set of propellers purchased and an 8GB SD card to store bits video and many pictures. You can use one of the most commonly used drones on the market today, and connect your phone to the right to support live images of the drone seen in flight. Number 3. Our third best pick is DJI Phantom 3 Advanced Drone. DJI is the first name in the drone quadcopter, and it's easy to see why. With its extensive range of models, specifically in the Phantom series, and constant innovation of a new and growing market, it has the know-how on the podium as the kings of stay drones. Enjoy automatic starts with built-in GPS function is DJI's famous. Believe it or not, going through the manual, this is absolute information that only increases your expertise as a pilot drone in the future. Leaders are drone's first level reason. You can use this drone 15 to 17 minutes before the power flick from. You will get a great journey from the time and slide through perfection. DJI Air with patented propeller blades. For one of the softest rides ever to go into the past, present or future to obtain, including drones, you will get to see all time. With DJI video capture impeccable quality, but with the device streaming, mounted in their control, quality up to 720p HD, which remains excellent. DJI Pilot application is one of the user-friendly applications that comes with every drone model on the market. They give you a lot of material with which this package. Wonder how they are capable of charging so low for such a far-reaching set. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Syma X5A1 Explorer's Quadcopter. While it is celebrated as a toy more than a quadcopter professional, it is the way it intend to use it, right? 7 minutes flight time only to get more than an hour and a half in charge, which is good enough to have some fun, and drones shows exactly what can actually do without spending a fortune. Below 50 is unmanned. The camera does not receive a level that shows you exactly what you need to pilot. To be an expert on the best drone market practice, you are a pro in no time. This is the perfect first step in drone full-time control. Buying a low-cost model introduction, because this is exactly what will make you a fan of drones, and has back to see this article, which was lost in a point. Later, a flight system had the lighthouse, which allowed this man even if it was out of sight. While Syma X5A1 Explorer comes quadcopter with minimalist features, you pay a minimal cost. Use all aspects of the drone, and prepare yourself for the Major League Baseball before long. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is Autel Robotics X Star Drone. Get ready that you imagine in any drone for one of the longer flights sun today. Starlink downloads the application and starts work immediately. With a 4K UHD fantastic integrated camera, a range of 1.2 miles, an elegant design that is attractive to each eye, really hit this one out of Autel the park. This model comes with one of the most versatile and easy-to-use drivers we have seen so far. With a practical approach to unmanned aircraft flying, Autel makes it easy for just about any level of pilot unmanned aircraft to win some of the X Star is. This is a cheap drone quadcopter for what get check them against the models in the thousands range, and it would be surprising at how many of these drone star properties fall to the luxury level. Not many models on the market that will give such an excellent range cost you an arm and a leg without. This simply falls in the middle price point for anyone looking to make a flying drone a serious part of his life. It is an orange frame, so the visibility issues second nature when you use your Autel by the skies. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.